Hello, riders and not. Today I'm going to gyms again to wash my filthy, dirty little Miata that I'm driving at the moment. And it's raining inside. Since I got my car, the outside wasn't as bad as the engine wash. But me driving it, it got pretty filthy. And I feel like it's time for me to go to gyms and once again to get all the tips and all his secrets. Ready? No, not for that.
Your mama forgot, I know it hurts. Rolling by the cool kids on the first day of school, I know it hurts so bad. Let it go, you'll be better off without our brakes.
You love cleaning Miatas, don't you?
I like putting things right. I think that's what it is. I think I've got like OCD traits, so it's nice to put things how they're supposed to be.
Ooh, it's dirtier than I thought it is.
Yeah, it's all the grease and fallout that gets stuck in the tyre as well.
Same as motorcycle, you start from the tires, the dirtiest bit.
Yeah.
You do not splash the dirt all over the place. Yes?
Yeah. I taught someone something. Look at that.
I know, right? I'm learning quick. Ooh.
Laughed at when your girlfriend pulled down your pants, I know it hurts. Kicked out on the first day of your new job, I know it hurts so bad. Let it go, you'll be better off without our brakes. Let it go, you'll be better off without our brakes. We don't care if you love, we will never let you go. Can't take any more, I'm under control. We will fight all the time, I'll punch you if you're feeling fine. It will go on as long as they want.
What was the dirtiest car you cleaned? Do you remember?
Yeah, it's probably actually an MX5.
Really?
Yeah.
That green one?
The green one, yeah.
Oh my god, I think that's what I spotted first on your website.
Yeah.
Guys, I need to show you this. The green MX5 that Jim cleaned last year? I think it was last year, yeah.
Laughed at when your girlfriend pulled down your pants, I know it hurts. Kicked out on the first day of your new job, I know it hurts so bad. Let it go, you'll be better off without our brakes. Let it go, you'll be better off without our brakes.
What was the most expensive car you cleaned?
Most expensive car was probably last week when I did a Ferrari 458 Spider. That was nice.
Is it any difference mentally for you when you clean the very expensive car and something worth not that much?
A little bit. I mean, it's...
Is it more precious?
Yeah, I mean, you get over it a little bit once you've done several expensive cars, because obviously when you first start you're a bit nervous that you're going to ruin it.
Yeah.
But once you know the process, you can just make sure you do the right things in the right place. I mean, it's not the same as washing, like, you know, a regular car. Yeah. Because you've got expensive materials like carbon fibre or fiberglass and things like that. So you've got to be more careful with it. But if you've got, you know, I'll use a new wash mitt and a new towel for it, so there is a slight markup on the work because you're using better things for it. So it's not always just a markup for people with bigger wallets. So.
What do you use for main body of the car, and what would you recommend to use?
I'm currently using, what am I currently using? Valet Pro concentrated car wash, but I'm using it up. There's nothing wrong with it. It's nothing particularly special. It's good, it's foamy.
Is there any car wash you can buy at Halfords at the, like, of course not the value one, but like slightly better? Is there any difference, like for paint? Does it affect car in any way?
I mean, a lot of people ask questions about colour and things like that, like what's the best anything for a certain colour. And there's not really a lot of products that make any difference for colour. Like if you're washing a car, you're normally washing lacquer anyway. But for an older car like this is actually a single stage paint, so there isn't a lacquer technically in it, it's all colour. It doesn't make a great deal of difference, but something like a Carnauba wax can help bring out some shine in a white car. But that's not a washing product, that's a sealant afterwards.
Okay,
so
it's more of a polishing product, but washing product basically you can't make a mistake by choosing a decent priced product at Halfords.
It'll work, but sometimes you can have products that are pH neutral, which will help sort of look after if you have any coatings on the paint already.
Yes.
So it won't strip wax off if you don't want to.
Okay.
Yeah, and just look after coatings and things like that.
Okay.
So.
Okay. That's good to know, because when you come and you see all those shelves full of products and the price range of like from
Yeah, £2 to 50.
I know, and you just looked, you don't know, okay then, of course I don't want to spend £50 on the product, but at the same time, like £2 looks a little bit too cheap, you know, like it's like a Baby Johnson's.
There is a difference between using dish soap and using something that's been actually chemically produced, like Built Amber, which is designed to actually break down dirt and you know, actually do some work. Sometimes there is a balance where spending some money is actually worthwhile.
So the main difference is how much it will help you to wash your car, basically, how quicker you can do it.
And that's down to the individual as well. I mean, for someone like me, when I'm trying to do it as a business, I need to try and get it done quickly and effectively, but also without destroying people's paint. The way a lot of the roadside car washers will do is use a really heavy TFR, which is traffic film remover, which is a really strong detergent, I believe, and it breaks down dirt really heavily, but at the same time, if you mix it wrong, it can destroy your plastics as well, so you see that a lot.
What you spraying?
It's almost this product.
Almost. Okay, very close.
We're getting closer. It's a quick detailer,
Okay.
but it breaks up the water on the surface.
Okay.
Makes it easy to dry.
You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young, pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take.
For drying car, you're using a cloth.
Yes, it's just this is just one for the glass waffle cloth. Yeah.
Just for glass.
Yeah.
Inside, but I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take.
So I wash them all separately. They're all when I've used this will go in a drawer with a bunch of other ones just like this, so that I only wash these together. I only wash.
Show your drawers.
Yeah. It could definitely do with a good polish as well. There's a lot more that can come out of that, but there's actually a reflection on that bottom bumper now, which you didn't have before. Another not that product. This is the Valet Pro Tire Shine.
Okay.
Just the standard one. I'm not a fan of the super gloss tire shines, but this one's got like a nice matte finish.
I've been caught up since the day that we met, and you haven't seen the best of me yet. There's nothing like you and me together, and your eyes have been so hard to forget. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wrap up? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Me and Jim gonna do another video on Miles from doing the interior. I have a little bit of a chewing gum or something on the steering wheel. I left it for you. Didn't touch it.
Great.
Can you see it? It's like a sticky bit.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Yeah, so we're gonna show you how to clean the sticky bits, how to clean the dirty bits, and everything about cleaning. Come back, subscribe, and do all you have to do. You know that. See you in the next one. Bye.
You're special and she reckless. MB, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah.
That's the best thing of that car.
Like how you do it alright. Everything good.